looking for a ring, but it has to be strong.
What about a key ring?
That's not strong enough.
An O-ring?
I'm looking for something sturdier, and can we move this along? It's getting kind of boring.
Oh, is there a special someone?
No, that's a little too pretty. I need something industrial.
Oh, a coffee ring.
I'll have to pass.
Are you looking for a connection to a local crime ring?
It's very, very strong, but no thanks.
I know exactly what you're looking for. A rolled ring from McGinnis.
What's that?
I'll have to show you.
What is cool? Again, I like working with the big heavy machinery, driving the fork trucks, being able to take a piece of steel that's this big and turn it into a ring that's 144, 145 inches is pretty cool.
It's a really nice environment, great bunch of guys that I work with.
Being able to produce a product that goes out into the world and is useful in every different oil industry.
Rolled rings are a seamless ring that they use for gears or in their use in bearing. The benefit of a rolled ring is the grain of the material is lined up in the circle, so it's much stronger than a welded ring.
Puts a hole in the piece. Okay, then we put the piece on the ring mill, and the ring mill the cones will come in and the cones will grab it and pull it and stretch it pretty much to make a ring.